chooses exactly which apps use the VPN and which don't. No, it's not a premium feature. It's built right into this app called VPnHood. Today, we're diving deep into VPnHood, setting it up, testing its speeds, and seeing if this powerful free tool is right for you. After you install VPnHood, the main screen is super simple. You just hit this big Connect button. It automatically connects you to the fastest server, which is usually the recommended option. But if you want more control, you can tap on Servers. Here you can see all the free locations: Canada, the UK, France, Germany, and several servers in the US, like Oregon and Virginia. For this test, I'm connected to Virginia. Now, this is the standout feature. Most VPNs tunnel all your traffic. VPnHood lets you choose. Head into Settings and you'll find Apps Filter. This is huge for performance. Let's say you want your browser to be secure and appear in the US, but you want your local messaging apps to use your normal connection for speed. You can do that. Or you can reverse it, only VPN for specific apps. This level of control is usually found in much more expensive business VPNs. Digging deeper into the settings, we find some powerful options. Under Protection, you can switch between UDP for speed, great for streaming or torrenting, and TCP for reliability, which is better for bypassing strict firewalls. There's also this Tunnel My Country option. If you select No, it won't encrypt traffic to websites hosted in your own country, which is faster. If you select Yes, it encrypts everything, which is more secure but slower, a really smart trade-off. So how fast is it? On my connection to Virginia, I was getting around 3.68 Mbps download and 0.05 mega upload. Now, that's not going to break any speed records. It's clearly not for 4K streaming. But for basic browsing, privacy, and accessing geo-restricted content, it's absolutely usable for a free service. The statistics page is really informative. It shows you your new protected IP address, confirms your location, and even tells you if UDP is supported on that server. It also tracks your session and monthly data usage. And the best part? For the free servers, the max traffic is unlimited. No sneaky data caps here. So who is VPnHood for? Pros: it's completely free, offers unlimited data, has unique app-based filtering, and includes advanced features like protocol selection. Cons: the speeds are modest and you're limited to a handful of server locations. It's a fantastic tool if you need a quick, free VPN for basic privacy on public Wi-Fi, bypassing simple geo-blocks, or if you absolutely need that app filtering capability. It might not be your daily driver for high-bandwidth tasks, but as a free tool in your security arsenal, it's incredibly impressive. What do